Hey, what's up, grill makers? This T with Custom Grillz Inc. And just so you know, we have now partnered with Grillz University, just so we can continue to bring you that heat and new videos and fresh videos on showing you how to make grills and make sure that you perfect the craft. And now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to polish a grill on a polishing wheel. Now, there's different techniques out there. Everyone has their own technique. Now, it's up to you to find whatever technique is good for you to make sure that you're more productive and you get the job done correctly. Now, we're going to go right into that and show you exactly what you need to do and what you'll need. And before we get started, don't forget to like, and you can also leave comments throughout the video. If you have a question about something or what the item is, just let me know and I'll get back to you. But don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom, just so every time I put up a video, you'll be the first to get it. So don't forget to hit that notification bell below. And let's get right to it. So, first there are a few things you'll need. You need a mask. This is very important to have on whenever you're polishing because of debris. You can sniff it and it'll get in your nose. You do not want to do that. So definitely have a mask handy. Also, you want to have glasses. Next, you want to have a polishing wheel. There's different kind of polishing wheels. There's all kinds, they're all sorts. You see I have two different ones. I can mix it up. Next, you're going to have your polishing material. This material you're going to use, this is what's going to help do the polishing for you. It's very important to have this because you will not have any shine without having your polishing material. Now, you're going to need your polishing machine. Of course, you need a polishing machine. That's no brainer. You can't get the job done if you don't have your polishing machine. So definitely have that so you can get everything done you need right away. So once you have all these things, now you'll be ready to go. But before that, let's show you how to use your polishing machine. Now on the polishing machine, it has a gauge and you could turn it from high to low or low to high. Now I like to keep it in the middle just to have it nice and easy, but I will ramp it up as I go along just to let the speed go to give me a better boost for the polish. So let's get started in showing you how to polish it correctly. Now most people make the mistake in polishing the opposite direction. The wheel turns in the direction that some people do not realize before it will damage the grill. Now if you see how the wheel is spinning, it's spinning towards you. But the grill cannot be facing with the open part of the teeth towards you. This part has to face the back because you will break the grill and it will snap. So do not make this mistake. A lot of people do and they don't realize it and they snap it instantly as soon as they turn the wheel on and it rotates. So make sure that you're going the opposite direction where the open part is facing the opposite direction to you, so it's a flush finish over top, really smooth. So make sure that it does not go the wrong way and it goes over top of the grill nice and smoothly. So with the red compound right here, you're going to do and put it underneath of the polishing wheel, and the debris will hit back at the wall. So be careful and make sure you have something to kind of block the debris from hitting against the wall and dirtying everything up. So it's going to go under, then it's going to polish a part of the compound and it's going to get onto the wheel. So now let's turn it on and see how we do this. Now you can crank it up. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle and then I'm going to amp it up. The board is there to catch all the debris from flying. And you can do this at home. This is a small at-home polishing wheel. I like to do work at home and this is really good for that. Remember, go smooth across the top. Let's get a better look. sure you get in between the grill. You want to get all the crease and crevices to make sure everything comes out nice. You can also go side to side and back and forth. That's very effective. You want to keep doing it until you feel as though it's fully polished. You'll start to see the polish come out very nicely on one side opposed to the other. You can also add more compound, just in case you feel as though some has come off. Then check it out and see how it came along. Now you see you have a nice clean polish. Really nice. Good job. Now don't forget, you have to have a jury steamer. This steamer right here is a household item, but you'll be able to steam anything you need just to get that clean polish and clean look. So make sure you have one. Now make sure you use tongs and you stand a distance away from the steamer because it's very hot. Now when you're done, just wipe it off with a rag. All done. Now look at that shine.